This is the unboxing video. We have just bought this shit. Yes, baby. Yes. Oh my god. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my god. This is your G3. Padiba ne bolt am nade wale shave. So this is your bolt lock. Company dara ziwarki, so that it shows that this gun is new and brand new and unused. So funny thing is, all the pistols, they have 2 magazines, and this one has 3 magazines. So you are like a very lucky, very fucking lucky. So this is our unboxing video, and this is your ammo box. I bought one ammo box for you. It is just Chinese because it was the cheapest of them all and the good quality as well. And so Mubarak ho.